Good morning. Thank you for coming to Stop the Whining. We're going to learn how to teach babies sign language. The reason we do this is because babies have a really difficult time learning how to communicate. The motor skills for their tongue and lips are not as advanced as the motor skills for their hands. And so part of their frustration is they know exactly what they want, but they can't communicate. So when we teach sign language, it gives them an opportunity to communicate their exact needs. My name is Peggy Langgle, and your name is? Yay! So you have experience with sign language? A little bit. Okay. So you know the alphabet. Real quickly, there are 3 types of sign language here in the U.S. American Sign Language, which is the natural language of the deaf. Pitch and signed English is what deaf people use with hearing people because it has English grammar but still uses ASL signs. And then signed exact English is what is taught in schools to help deaf children learn English language and structure. American Sign Language does have its own grammar, and so it is different. Let's watch this video about how and why to teach children sign language. Okay, so as you saw, babies even at a young age can begin really communicating their needs and their wants and what they're thinking about. We often hear wrong. Okay, so there are several food words that are really important. The first one is eat. Okay, so eat. And that can also be for food. Okay? And drink. So if you're holding a cup and you drink. More. Babies often want more cookies. More. And you see right there the baby saying more. My little grandchildren, they know more. When somebody's finished, I'm finished. Milk. Have you ever milked a cow or a goat? Well, you go like this. Okay. And so that's the sign for milk. My daughter is breastfeeding, and so when she asks her daughter if she would like to eat, she says no. Water. Water. This is a W. And you know, some people do it here, some people do it here. Dad, that's really important. Dad. Now, in sign language, the face is divided in half. The upper half is male, the bottom half is female. I will tell you how I learned it. The upper half is male because men think. The bottom half is female because women talk. Do I like that? No. But it does help me to remember which part is male and female. So this is Dad, and Mom would be Mom. It's the same sign, Dad and Mom. Just like grandfather, grandmother, nephew, it's an N, and niece. Okay, and again, she signed cat, so cat. Dog is a little more difficult for people to sign, and it's, or some people just like you're calling the dog. duck is with 2 fingers. Duck or goose. So you can, to do duck, duck, goose, it's all the same sound. When they bear. A fun book to song is Brown Bear. Do you know that song? Mm-hmm. I mean that book? Brown bear, what do you see? And so it goes through about the different colors and different animals that the brown bear sees, or different colors. Please, of course, we have to have manners. And so please. Yeah, please. There we go. And, sometimes kids will just, but anything close, encourage them. Of course, that means you have to know it yourself first. Thank you. Thank you. And you're welcome, Ms. Lissette. Yes. Do you want more? Yes. And then no. My husband always said, if this is yes, this should be no, but it's not. So, yes. No. Help. Can I help you? That's direction. Do you need help? Okay. So, if I'm asking you, can I help you? Mm-hmm. And that is actually how you would do it in sign language. You wouldn't say, can I help you? You'd say, can I help you? And sign language is very base-oriented. There are certain ways to ask questions in sign language, but we can talk about that another time. Book. You want to read a book to your babies and or children, and signing what you know is such a good way to teach them. Diaper. Is your diaper dirty?
Wait, this is dirty.
Dirty. Is your diaper dirty? And then, of course, my whole family still does that. And then, I love you more. No, I love you more. Get in that. That's the end of the presentation. Are there words that you would like to know that I didn't cover?
How do you say if something hurts?
Yeah, it's like twisting. Twisting. You hurt where? Where do you hurt?
If you're just like point like that.
Yeah, then does your arm hurt? You can go even one hand hurt. Okay, does your arm hurt? Does your head hurt? Your leg? Does your eye hurt? Okay. So hurt. Anything, medicine?
Medicine?
Mm-hmm. Just want your middle finger. Medicine. I'm going to give you medicine. Next. Okay, so it's give or give.
Then how do you say take?
Take.
Is that give?
Mm-hmm. Put it in your mouth. Medicine in your mouth. A shot. What else?
That's all I can think of right now.
Is that it?
Thank you so
All right,
much.
well, thank you so much for